Hello everyone, a long time no see. So this time I'm going to show you a very classic founding knife. This knife is a movie star. You can find it at the movie which name is Godfather. You know the movie is made by Italy or made by US, but the story is made by Italy because the story is describe gangster of Italy. So it's a founding knife, and you can see the material. Okay, the material of the handle is Anlter, and look at back and the front. You will see very different feature over handle because you know the nature material should be different. So let's see the function. Okay, this is the safety, and when you press the safety, okay, fire it. Press the button. Good. It's very smooth. And you can see the logo. It's named AKC. So the original is named the AKC company, which is made by Italy. So the blade and the handle is mirror finish. It's very shiny. It's very smooth. Let's press it again. It looks very classic. And the lanyard is made by stainless steel. And here is the brass and the stainless steel and high mirror finish. Very same. And when you close the founding knife, you press here and then press the blade. Okay, and okay, press it. There is a spring inside the handle. You can hear something in the handle, then you lock it. Okay, so it's locked. Okay, it's very safety. It's very safe. So the size. Oh, sorry. You can check the size. It looks like. Okay, here. It looks like 13 cm. So when you close, length is 13. Let's check the over length. Okay, over length is. Oh, sorry again. Very sorry. Check it. Check here. Like this. 23 cm. The over length when you open it is 23 cm. So I think it's a very classic knife because it's nature and nature handle and very great finish, and it's made in China. Yeah, it will be $29, including the shipping cost. I think it's very nice. So sorry for two accidents, and if you want to buy this one, please contact with me and email me or something. I have a store online. So thank you for watching, and thank you for Fox our website. Okay, thank you. Bye.